Good morning, good morning, beautiful people. It's probably noisy and really windy out here. It's not as bad in terms of temperature. It's not that cold today, but it's quite chilly and windy. So today, I'm excited to show you guys something I am really happy about. I purchased my juicer for the first time. I have been into juicing, a couple times. I've done that a couple times. Years back, I used to do that, but I did that more with my blender, so I had a lot more fiber in there. But this time around, I want to try it without or less fiber, if you get what I mean. So the best way to go about it with that, instead of doing the whole work of, straining and all that, is to go ahead and get you a juicer. So I did that. I got it on Amazon. It's a name brand I don't know about. But as long as it works, I'll be okay and I'll be satisfied. So if you guys have juices, let me know down in the comment section. How is it going with you when it comes to juicing? Let me know what you feel about it. What are the effects? What should I be prepared for? What should I know? What should I not know? Things like that. Just drop it all. But anyways, let's hop right in there and let me show you guys my beautiful juicer, all right? I'm not sure how good this lighting is, but we're gonna make it work, right? So I purchased this on Amazon and I'm gonna be linking that in the description box if you guys want to get one. I think the brand name is Aicook or Aicook. I don't know, but I'm thinking it's Aicook. So if you have the same exact juicer, let me know in the comment section. Let me know how it's doing for you, how long it lasted, how good it's doing the job, things like that. But anyway, let me go ahead and show you guys without showing you guys my mailing address. So it's Aicook juice extractor model GS336. It looks pretty good, but the reviews were really good as well. So that's the main reason why I got it. I saw the Cuisinart or whatever they call the brand. I saw Cuisinart or something like that. It's quite popular, but I just figured I'll go for this one. So hopefully it does me good. And it was a same day shipping option, so I grabbed it real quick. It came just yesterday. Okay, so I'm just gonna open this real quick so that we check out what's in here. All right, so let's open this. It's kind of hard doing this with one hand, but we'll make it work. Okay. So there we go. And this is an unboxing for the first time, so I have not opened this at all. I reserved it for you guys so you guys can get to see it as well. Okay, so have you done juicing before? If you have, let me know in the comment section what the effects are, how good it was, what the benefits were, how you were feeling, especially because, a lot of people have different experience. Ooh, I think I'm getting some recipes here as well. Ooh, yes. This is what I was looking for because I really wanted some recipes. So I'll do what I have in here, and then you guys do me a favor and drop your suggestions as well. And I'll definitely try them out as well. So here, great. I have recipes here. I'm so excited about that. So it comes with some healthy recipes for you to try out. That is awesome. I'm not sure if all the juices come with that. That would be awesome too, but anyway, so I'm just glad it has, let me see, nice orange juice, which I'm sure a lot of you have tried out before. Apple radish, I have never tried radish, so we will probably get that in the grocery list soon. Let me see here. This is what I'm excited about, the vegetable part. I used to do a lot of smoothies with vegetables, and it wasn't bad at all. It tasted really good. As long as there's apple in there, I'll take it. So we have a carrot juice, which I've not tried yet, because I'm not sure how much fluid comes out of a carrot. That's going to involve a lot of carrots, right? But anyways, all these recipes in here. I love that. This is a manual, which is amazing, because, I don't know how you're going to put that together if you don't have a manual. So, it probably is easy. It probably won't be that bad, but I don't know. Some of us probably need a manual. I don't know. But anyways, so it comes with a manual. What is this? Oh, I get a warranty card. That is super amazing. Let me see here. What? That's an if? Interesting. Right here, we'll take this foam off. What is here? The juicer. Okay. So I see it comes with another. Alright, we don't need all of that. Oops. Let me not break anything. How do I get this out without breaking anything? So here we go. Oops. Breaking stuff already. So something just fell off. Oh, this is the brush. I guess this is for washing it. I guess. I don't know. But it comes with this brush on the side. And we're going to take the bag off. Ouch. Okay. So of course we know this. If you've seen a juicer, that's what's pushing everything down. And then, you know, allowing the juice to come out. So I would call it a compressor. I'm not sure. It probably has a different name, but hey, what it is. Alright, so we have our juicer here. I see there's more paper in there. We're gonna get that out eventually. Okay, so I got this part off. This is where all the pulp and fiber and everything goes. Oh, so I do get a cup with that, and that's what's gonna go on this end right here. So the juice is gonna come right into this cup right here. Oops. Okay, so there's this here that I'm not really sure where it goes, and I'm trying not to look in the manual, but we're gonna figure it all out, okay? This goes, I believe, on the top. Yeah, it goes right here. This is nice. I like it. I like it. And then I think this goes somewhere else, but I'm not sure where yet. We will figure that out soon. And then, so it comes with an electric cable, electrical, so we're just gonna plug that up and have it running. Now to open those parts, I'm not sure. It has a control here, so I guess this is to turn it off right here in the middle. And then of course for the level you want right here, and then if you want it higher it goes to 2, but for now we're going to keep it off. This is what I'm not sure how it works. Hold on. So I think you pull this off somehow, which I'm not sure how it works. You're supposed to pull this off somehow to get this to open. That way you can kind of clean it up. Now I'll have to probably look in the manual for that. So let's do that real quick. Okay, so this is the manual. Let's see here. So it does come apart. I'm just not sure how to take that off. So let's see. Then do I not use force? Yeah. Oh. There we go. There we go. And then this comes off. So it's not that bad to put together. It's really simple. And then this comes off as well. I'm guessing. Yeah. This comes off as well. And then you can just wash everything off and then put it back. So I'm just going to put this right back. Yep. There we go. And then I'm going to put this right back where it was. I guess you just push it. There we go. And then this goes right back. Okay. And then we're going to put this right here. Good, good, good. Now, still don't know where this goes. I have no idea where this one goes. guys, so that's basically it. I showed you guys what I got, right? So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And of course, as always, don't forget what you're allowed to dream it, you're allowed to speak it, and you're definitely allowed to what? Live it. So I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Peace out.